Okay, so we're gonna need 1/2 inch, and we're gonna go down here. I'm gonna be using a 1/2 inch socket to take off the 10 bolts for the differential cover. Seems like they put a little bit too much RTV. Okay. Let's get in here. Oh man, this looks really fucking good. Yeah, right. Said nobody ever. This is gunked up. Alright, let's take the plate off. And we'll get a good look at this baby. Oh, that smells good. It doesn't smell good at all. I mean, it smells alright. No. Kind of went away. So, get a good look at this. Oh, I bought myself 6 cans of the non-chlorinated brake parts cleaner. In hindsight, I would have bought at least 10 to 12 because I did end up cleaning the axle tubes, the axle shafts, the ring, and the pinion. So if you were to be doing the same thing, 6 is not the number, but make sure it's the non-chlorinated. If you have a phobia of being in the dentist's office, I would suggest lowering the volume up until the point where you see me put the diff cover back onto the axle housing. And the dip cover, you could tell that I'm putting it back on is because it has that blue ring that'll be on the top of it.
So I got myself some of the, okay, gasket maker, glue RTV. Don't want to lock this thing in. Let's get a little pop seal here. Cut it down to the second line, so I put a thick bead. I don't know why people put some little ones. What you want to do is go around the holes, right? As you do that, go around the holes. So don't have to worry about nothing. Some people like to just clop it on. I am probably one of those people. But I think it'll be good. Next time I clean it, I'll probably buy something different than this. Maybe a seal. It was just time and money. So that's that one. Let's go put it on the car. Okay, so you want to make sure, obviously, that the drain plug is in this gap, right? Because if you notice, the plate has a dip to it. This dip is to accommodate the ring. Okay, let's go ahead and put this baby back on there. Let me get a screw to line it up with. I'll put this one. Boom. McLeod.
Next, we're going to put all 10 bolts back on and torque them up to spec. $75 W90 gear oil is what you would like to use unless you're towing a higher gear. Oil is preferred. What you always want to make sure to not overfill is to make sure that your gear oil is just below the bottom of your axle tube. If you have a stock housing, the thread of where you're filling should be a good measure. Once it starts to leak out of there, stop filling the oil, clean up the mess, add your new plug, and you're good to go. I like to double check my bolts right before I'm done. That way I know at least that I gave it a second check through. I'm used to the feel of certain torque specs, so I would suggest using a torque wrench and not just a normal wrench, unless you've done certain things over and over and over again that have given you the ability to feel for certain torque specs. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, let me know why. If you have any questions, I'm here to answer. Y'all have a good one.